Welcome back. So the next set of questions were the middle digit of a number between 100 and 1,000 is 0, and the sum of the other digits is 13. If the digits are reversed, the number so formed exceeds the original by 495. Find the number. And then number 2 was to represent numbers in scientific notation. And then next is to find the distance between the following pairs of points. So let's quickly go through the problems and see what you're supposed to have done. So solution. So I've been told that the middle digit of a number between 100 and 1,000 is 0, and the sum of the other digits is 13. So let the number be x0y. So which means the sum, which means x plus y, should give us 13. Call this one equation 1. And then we've been told that if the digits are reversed, so reversing, means now we have y 0x. So we are saying that if the digits are reversed, the number so formed exceeds the original by 495. So which means y 0x is the same as x0y plus 495. That's the meaning of exceeds by original by 495. Then you use place values to write this in expanded form. So place value of x is ones, place value of 0 is tens, place value of y is hundreds. So remember, if I have a number, for example, 438, can be written as 4 times 100 plus 3 times 10 plus 8 times 1. So we take each digit multiplied by its place value. So it's the same as 400 plus 30 plus 8 to give you the same 438. So the same concept you use here. Take y multiplied by its place value, which is 100. So we have 100y plus 0 times its place value is 10 plus x times its place value is 1. X times its place value is 100 times x, 0 times 10 plus y times 1 plus 495. So it will be 100y plus 0 times 10 is just 0, so plus x equals to 100x plus y plus 495. So when you take all the variables to the left, we'll have 99y minus 99x equals to 495. So call it equation 2. Now solve 2 and 1 simultaneously. So from 1, we have x equals to 13 minus y. So we'll have 99y minus 99 into 13 minus y equals to 495. Then expand the brackets. 99y, 13 by 99 is 1287. Minus minus is plus. 99y equals to 495. So 99 plus 99 is 198y equals to 495 plus 1287. So 198y equals to 1782, which means y is 1782 divide 198. When you divide, you get 9. So which means x will be 13 minus 9, which is 4. Therefore, the number is 409. So next was to write these numbers in scientific notation. So remember, scientific notation also called standard form of a number is a times 10 raised power n, where a is a number between 1 and 10. You include 1 but exclude 10 itself, and n is any integer. So the first number is 56, 94, 3, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the first number. So to write in scientific notation, remember when you don't have a decimal, it is usually at the decimal point is usually at the last, after the last digit. So we'll move this decimal up to the point we have a number between 1 and 10. So we'll have 1 step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th. So the number will be 5.6943 times 10 raised power. When decimal point moves to the left, the power becomes positive. So this will be the number. Two, the number is 2000.57. So expect to get a number between 1 and 10 by moving decimal point to the left. So we'll have to move 1 step, second step, third step. So that we'll have 2.12357 times 10 raised power 3. When decimal point moves to the left, power becomes positive. Number 3, we have 0.1234566 and some 3 zeros. So in this case, we have to move decimal to the right. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. So this will give us 6.000 times 10 raised to power negative 7. Or simply 6 times 10 raised to power negative 7. Number 4, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. So decimal moves to the right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9.1235 times 10 raised to power negative 4. So that's the scientific notation of that given number. So find the distance between the following pairs of points. So the first pair, 1, 2, and 4, 3. So this will be square root of 4 minus 1 squared. Remember, distance is given by this distance between 2 points, x1, y1, and x2, y2 is given by positive square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared plus 3 minus 2 squared should be square root of 3 squared plus 1 squared, 9 plus 1, which is root 10, which you may write it as 3.162277766. 2, 3, 1, and minus 7, 2. So distance will be given by square root of minus 7 minus 3 squared plus 2 minus 1 squared minus 10 squared plus 1 squared. So 100 plus 1. Okay, this was 4, not 1. So this is minus 4. So this is minus 2. So this is 4. This is the equation. There's a confirmation. So 3, 4 minus 7, 2. So this is the square root of 104, which should be same as 10.19803,903. Common 3, AB and CB. So distance will be given by square root of C minus A squared plus B minus B squared, square root of C minus A squared plus 0 squared, just C minus A. But for this question also, someone can do it as square root of A minus C squared plus B minus B squared, which will be square root of A minus C squared plus 0 squared, which is A minus C. So whether this or this, all of them are correct. So 3 minus 9 and minus 2, 3. So distance is square root of minus 2 minus 3 squared plus 3 minus 9 squared. So minus 5 squared plus 12 squared. 25 plus 144, square root of 169, which is 13. So that is how we supposed to solve this part, question 3, part 4. So we continue the solution in the next series.